Here we've got a little bathroom, toilet, sink. That's the entrance. Here's the lights. That's the main living room, where you get mini bar right on this side. No, not strange. Need to find mini bar. Coffee maker, kettle. Nice spacious room. Large TV. Here's the office space with another TV. Just a few decorations. Let's see the view. The view will be amazing. This is a sea view. And here's our hotel ground and the beach. Unfortunately, we cannot see the skyscrapers. Here's the air conditioning. And this is the main bedroom. Before the entrance to the main bedroom, that's the big, huge mirror. And here's the small cupboard. And the space for the suitcases, plenty of space here. One bathroom and two slippers, quite nice slippers in here. And this is just a ordinary room, which will also have a sea view from this room. As you can see, a little bit of skyscrapers in here. Mini bar. No? Oh, there is nothing here. Unfortunately, well, we don't need anything anyway. And again, kettle, coffee maker, large super king size bed, clock, and the bathroom. Freestanding bath, another bathrobe, spacious shower, huge mirror again, magnified mirror in here. Also bath mats. You've got 3 in here. Let's take my shoes off. Shower kit, dental kit, nail file, comb, like in normal room, and hair dryer. Let me see the hair dryer. It should be in here. Yep, that's the hair dryer. You better to bring your own one. But overall, it's a great room. And especially the view. Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning. The view from our room. Today looks like it's very breezy, which is good. Our bed has been prepared. Water, slippers on each side.